1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, good morning, Idea Montopolis College Prep. This is Mr. Cotto with your morning announcements. Today is Tuesday, March the 2nd. Today is a B day. Please join me for today's pledges. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence. All right. So, winter storm relief for those of us whose families may have been affected by the winter storm of the last week and a half or so, please go ahead and visit us there. If your family needs any relief, any help, any assistance of any kind, please follow those links there. Reach out to a teacher or leader on campus that you trust. And again, we're here to support you, but we can only do that if we know what you need. So please use those links there to communicate that with us. All right. All right, so exams for this week, we'll go ahead and pause and take a look at that. But for today, we've got 7th writing and AP Spanish language, 10th and 11th graders that are enrolled. All right, so Montopolis Senior Night is a soccer update right here. Please come out and support our 2021 senior soccer athletes as they will be taking the field for their last home game. We'll be having a special ceremony at halftime for our seniors. Please come out and support. And again, we've got our senior athletes listed right there. Again, we've got 2 different dates. Boys and girls senior night will be separate. Boys will be March 9th at 6 p.m. versus Austin Achieve, and girls will be March 12th at 6 p.m. versus Georgetown Gateway. Again, our last home games for our graduating seniors. Please come out and support. All right, semester exam initiatives. So we go ahead and take a pause right there. Depending on your grade level, depending on the goal, will determine what incentives you will be receiving. All right. State test, right? We've got our TELPAS exam coming up. Those are the dates listed there. And again, this is an exam that helps us determine English language proficiency among all our students. All right. Happy birthday to the following students. Citlali Alvarez, Briseida Bocanegra, Joshua Taleno, Elizabeth Alvarez, Akin Akintomiwa. Happy birthday, everybody. We hope you all have a great day filled with love, learning, and just, general awesomeness. So have a great day, everybody. Happy birthday. Okay, so be kind to your mind. If you're dealing with anxiety, stress about school, about life, we do have a college prep anxiety group, right? Go ahead and message Miss Williams on Teams, or like the message in your grade level, move this world tab to go ahead and let us know that you're interested in that. Again, you'll learn tips on how to slow your thoughts down, prioritize, and reduce stress. It's something that you need throughout your life, not just in school, but especially here. Okay, so become a mentor. Become a mentor for underclassmen and help make our school comfortable for everyone through our Little Buddy, Big Buddy program. Community service hours are included. And again, to be a mentor, this is for our 11th and 12th graders only. Go ahead and follow that link right there if you're interested. If you want or need an upperclassman mentor, a tutor, or even just a friend, go ahead and sign up for our Little Buddy, Big Buddy program. Again, the link is open right there, and community service hours and other incentives are available for signing up to be a mentee. Now, that being said, this is open to our 9th and 10th graders. Again, follow that form right there. Follow that form right there to state and declare your interest. All right, calculators, juniors and seniors, we've been making this announcement for quite a bit now. We still have some calculators out there. If you have those out there, please go ahead and make sure that you've returned these at campus as soon as possible. Again, that's your money, that's the school's money. And if you have younger siblings, which I know a lot of y'all do, this only hurts them, especially if they're going to stick out with us here at IDEA. Okay, so please bring them in. Please bring them in. Middle school schedule, go ahead and pause and take a closer look right there. Same with our high school schedule, right, for upperclassmen right there too. All right, so attendance, we all know this is important. We've already started to have some of these conversations with y'all. Yeah, you got to be here 90% of the time. You can't miss more than 18 days of school. The Texas Education Code is quoted right there. We want you here. It's the best place for you to be. So go ahead and come on through. If you are having issues, please reach out to us. Again, we want you to self-advocate. We care about you. Reach out to us. We can work something out. Questions, go ahead and text us there at the number displayed on the screen during normal school hours. Again, I want to reiterate that normal school hours. What does that look like? We'll go ahead and say about 7:30 to about 5 o'clock. Beyond that, go ahead and follow us on Facebook, facebook.com/Montopolis College Prep. Again, that's facebook.com/Montopolis College Prep to keep up with any updates that we have school-wide. All right, everybody. So Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. And remember, y'all, if nobody tells you this today, remember that we love you, we believe in you, and we always will. That being said, now it's time for Move This World. Have a great day, everybody.